All right. We are good to go. And the stream started with a nice black screen. That's fine. Okay. So, howdy, y'all. Good news for you. Well, maybe it's good news. I don't know. Matter of perspective, I suppose. I got an email from the grading TA today with your all's pre-response grades. I have not looked at them at all. It's only 20% of the thing, but it will have some impact. So there you go, y'all. That'll be there. Otherwise, I guess the only thing to mention, reminder, reception of instructor. Greatly appreciate if you do that. If you do it, you get no personal benefit, so full transparency. I also, literally the only benefit I get is feedback. It's not like anyone pays me more or it doesn't do anything for me outside of, personally, the reason I would love for you all to complete that is so I can be a better teacher. That's the benefit I get. So, greatly appreciate it. You do you. I'll probably send out one more announcement about it. Just, things get forgotten whenever I get that. So I'll send it out. If you don't want to do it, don't do it. But I would appreciate it if you did. It mean a lot to me. Otherwise, that's kind of it. I will be finalizing your all's final tomorrow. So planning on 40 questions still. Should have it all kind of put together. Reminder, there's about 11 weeks of content that we've got about. There's exactly 11 weeks of content kind of broken up on there. 40 questions, you do the math, 40 divided by 11, it's about 4. So you all can expect 4 questions from each week. If you're trying to figure out kind of what to focus on, it'll be even Stevens. Every section will get 4 questions, roughly. 1 or 2 sections will get 3 questions. 4 sections, I guess, will get 3 questions. But there you go. Other just reminder for you all. So 1 week left of classes. Good or for bad. Your all's exam, just continue reminding people of this. 25th at 4 p.m. And we'll also send on the exam does now start at 4:30. So I'll send out an announcement because even with all the reminders I'll give, I guarantee you I'll have people show up at 4:30. Whatever, it'll be what it is. Okay, so near the end of last class, we started optics. So we ended last class with talking about refraction, the bending of light when it goes from one material to another. It does not matter what it goes from and to, it will bend, assuming they have different indices of refraction. And air and glass to water, as long as they don't have index of refraction was the thing we talked about. It was the ratio of the speed of light to the speed of light in that material. And then we also talked about critical angle. And so that led into optics, which is utilizing that for practical purposes. Taking that bending of light and making things with it / understanding how eyeballs work. So we started off with just the very, very basics of there's 2 types.